Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm gonna actually show you how to assemble this Litebeam M5. It's a ubiquiti wireless device that can be used as access point, that is for you to connect other Litebeam M5 to it and get internet connection, and it also can be used as station. That simply means that it will be able to receive internet. So let's go. So let's get rid of the plastic that secure the three pieces for the dish component. Right, so here you go, three pieces. So this is the center piece. You want to get it in the grooves, and this is the other side piece. So here you go. So that is the groove section there. Now get them in, slide it into place. Then this back section, so get it over the groove right there. You want to hear that sound right there. So both clips actually in place. And then the arm itself, or this is the actual device itself. You want to hear that sound. And this section, which is what going to secure it to whatever pole you're going to actually secure it or install it on. Screw it in place. And of course, this is the covering for the back section there. Right, so this is your ubiquiti Litebeam M5. Again, this can be used as access point, and it can also be used as a station. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, of course, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.